Meet the Expert, a knowledge-sharing initiative of your knowledge partner, the Developing Bangladesh. We discuss on trade, investment, commerce, education, skills, economic development, global peace and prosperity, etc. issues. If you are interested to these issues, please subscribe to the channel. Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner, please subscribe now.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, in Meet the Expert session of Developing Bangladesh, we usually listen from an international expert on a very specific issue. Today, I am very delighted to host Dr. Suliman Ali. He is a hydroponic specialist. Mahasil Agriculture Company, Saudi Arabia. He will be speaking on a very important issue today because you all know that globally human resources are increasing. Demand for food is increasing. Not only demand for food, but also demand for safe and healthy food is increasing. So, based on only agriculture, cultivable land, agriculture production is somehow limited. And it is, in few cases, it is not safe. So, in such case, using soil or using cocoa peat, using water, many media. Today, agriculture scientists, they are working hard to ensure to supply food, healthy food to the global citizens. So today, we will be listening on such an agriculture technology, that is hydroponic, the future of hydroponic products. Because you all know that agriculture started mechanization when it started to be commercialization. So commercial agriculture is not only stopped in mechanization, but also using newer technology every day. So before further I do, I would like to humbly request you, sir, could you please introduce yourself with me and my audience?
Okay, thank you so much for giving this chance to us. Basically, I was born and grew up in Sudan. My graduation from Wuhan University, I did my PhD, and I'm working in Sudan in Agriculture Research Corporation. Now working in the Saudi Arabia in Mahasil Agriculture Company for hydroponic with the large project that use full automation, especially for tomato, cucumber, sweet pepper, and some lettuce and strawberry. That's all.
Thank you very much, sir. A very brief introduction. Actually, we all know this hydroponic technology is producing few vegetables now till now. So it is producing tomato, as you said. It is producing lettuce and other herbs. So it is let us see your keynote presentation. Then we'll go for question answer session. May I humbly request you to present your keynote paper, sir?
Okay. As you introduction myself, I was graduated from Wuhan University 2016. I'm specific working in vegetable insect pest control at the organic biological control. That is my PhD thesis. This is my all title for communication. I have more experience in hydroponic, deal with a different type of vegetable. Okay. Today we are talking about the hydroponic production. The hydroponic production, as you know, that the fair many challenge. That is many challenge due to the many problem happen in the soil. So why you are going for hydroponic? They going for hydroponic because the hydroponic product it seems like organic product, and also hydroponic product it also save water, lepers, and many benefits. And also they increase the yield in square meter. And also they saving time. Hydroponic product, it can be reach the tomato, but that is in normal farmers growing in the soil, it takes 3 months, but in hydroponic, it takes only 67 days. So we're going to show what's the problem and what is that can be production in hydroponic. You know that in hydroponic you can get a lot of vegetable, many vegetable from the leaf and the fruits. And also within hydroponic, also you can get a lot of fruits such as blackberry, blueberry, and other fruit that can be growing in hydroponic by different substrate. The only difference in hydroponic and the normal agriculture that we use substrate. So depend on the system and the style of hydroponic, so you can grow many things. The mainly people nowadays are focusing because the people increase gradually more, and also the shortage in the food. So want to fill this gap by hydroponic, increase hydroponic for many type of vegetable, tomato, cucumber, sweet pepper, fig, strawberry, and so on. And also can get in hydroponic like such soft fruits, blackberry, blueberry, and so on. And also can very green. And nowadays they have the microgreen within a small area, with a small model, even for the house, only for house, you can get the vegetable for own use. Also, you can get the cut flowers, cannabis, or many different type of the medical issues. You know, nowadays for hydroponic, they go for vertical farm because the vertical farm, it can be in a small area that you have the house. It can be like this, give the lighter artificial light and equipment, and also it is a clean product. It can for lettuce, for any type of the green. As you know, that the design, it can be like this. It is already come designed like Kamin or like something like that. It come ready from different type of companies. Mainly, we will produce this from the China. It just like this small container or big container. It up to you, depend on your size. You know, as you can see here in this photo, this is the type of the plant inside the greenhouse with the full automation. Here you use the full automation for the irrigation, for fertilizer, for climate control, temperature, irrigation, and so on. This is the modeling for the produce the lettuce, and also you see here it is 100% organic. This is also a type of the vegetable, as you know, as the name is kale. Also, we produce for some people, restaurant, hotel, and other people like this. As you can see here, this is the type of vertical farm. So we don't need to go for large scale area. So in vertical farm can feed one city from your countries, because in a small area can produce many type of vegetable. So just using the technology that is can be controlled for temperature, irrigation, and fertilizer by timaring, by automation. There is a many type of automation around the world. You see here, this is the type for controlling everything inside the greenhouse by computer. If there is any problem, it can give the alarm for you to detect what the problem is. If the problem EC, BH, water pumping, some issues, computer can help you a lot of, and also can reduce the labor because it can control for environment. As you can see here in this photo, suppose for production tomato on the open field, it face a lot of problem, a lot of insect, a lot of pests, a lot of disease. So inside the greenhouse can control all of this by doing hydroponic, can also get high yield according to our experiment, get 55 kg in square meter. This is the tomato around the world. Around the world, the tomato, as you know that the China, it is a big country for producing the tomato for import to the Africa. This is the type of the production tomato according to the FAO statistical analysis. Also, the tomato, it face outside our working open field, it face a lot of problem and a lot of problem. So this problem with hydroponic inside the greenhouse, you can limit it, or you can protect your field from the different type of the virus that is challenge for people to go for production for tomato, because we have many type of problem facing this type of production. And also, this is the infection for the new virus. That is, new virus is called tomato brown reduce fruit virus. This virus, we need to take the like treatment for same coronavirus. We need to make the get the seeds is resistant for the virus. So it is very things.
Developing Bangladesh, your knowledge partner. We take care of trade and investment, education and skills, economic diplomacy and economic development. If you would like to keep you updated on these issues, please subscribe to Developing Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching till the last.